see, gets the sun. Here we go, baby. We're in Cincinnati, fireworks show. Park right here. Make sure we don't forget.
Hello.
What do you want? Always bothering me. Hit him face. Hit him with the face. Hit him with the face. We got ice cold drink snacks.
Yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna, hey, show me. We're gonna get those things.
All right. Whatever you say, boss.
Yeah, big dog. Big dog.
Oh, look, Mama, they have the boats over there. You see it?
Oh, look at the chairs. They move.
Yeah.
Like
Like little trains.
That's
pretty dope.
Because I saw it on YouTube. Someone already went to it. I know the
Okay, nice park right here.
trash.
Trash, you don't like it?
No.
Okay, I like that. That's nice. Yeah, that's definitely dope. I like that.
Papa, look. What's the camera?
All right, where? Right here? Oh, you taking a picture of me? I'm recording you too. Yeah, you. Like the boats over there. Next year we're gonna buy one of those. Little event going on here. Okay, I like that. This is nice.
What's up, OG?
Oh, what's going on, gang?
Yes, sir.
All right here.
What?
Hey, they chilling.
Yeah, look at them.
Got the Cincinnati Red Stadium right here. Been
My
there.
favorite.
That's your favorite, Mama? We haven't been here this season. We have to come.
You know who my favorite player is?
Who?
Ryan Reynolds.
Ryan Reynolds. The heck?
Yeah, look.
Welcome to Riverfest. Okay, here we go. What they got over here? Peanut butter and jelly. Deep fried peanut butter and jelly. What the hell? I've never seen that. Oh, the slushy? Oh, what the hell? Is that garbage in there? Gotta be garbage. Oh, no, that's for the fireworks. I'm bugging. They gotta be. Oh, that's pretty dope. Get a bobblehead of yourself. Let's come take a look over here, see what's going on. Yeah, it's definitely not packed, but it's definitely nice out here. You put every flavor in that thing.
I always do that.
You always do that? All right. And I got all this. I got to record and oh my God. It's okay, Mama. I got it. I'll figure it out.
Here we are broadcasting to you on top of the serpentine wall for the Western and Southern WEBN fireworks. We are getting ready.
Uh-oh.
A big boom in the sky happens right at 9 o'clock. And don't forget,
9 o'clock, y'all.
show happening over Great American Ballpark right at 9 o'clock, right? So make sure you're here for that.
Oh, yeah, we're here for all of that.
J-Rod, True, everybody, we are all here broadcasting to you. If you're coming down here, come by and say what's up.
My boy Matt right there, Ash. Thanks for the invite. What happened, Mama?
I'm happy I came over here because if I went with my mom, like we would have went to my cousin's house, stayed there for a little bit, and left.
Yeah.
It was more fun.
All right, we're about to get some pizza. Mama, take the pizza. Thank you, guys.
Yep, thank you.
All right.
It's a big box too.
Yeah. Let's go sit down and eat this pizza.
Smells good.
Smell good? Yeah. All right, let's try it same time, okay? Cheers. Pizza cheers. Cheers. Kind of like New York pizza, right? It's like New York pizza. Ah, that's cool. Yeah, right there. That's it. It's over. And it's over. That's the bike. That's pretty dope. So I was right earlier. That's what they keep the fireworks.
Really?
Yeah. Look at Ava. She gonna go in there with no problem. Ava having so much fun. Iron Man is there too? Yeah, I see it. Got the Rough Riders. Where y'all going? Y'all can't go that way. I think this is it for us right here. And this we're gonna chill right here. This is the spot. What are you doing? Huh? There you go. Safe. Whoop. Oh, here we go. And you're safe. So my daughter pointed this out. Definitely looks like a plane, and she wanted me to record it. So yeah, definitely like a plane. All right, go ahead. I'm recording now, so go ahead. 3, 2, 1. That looks amazing. I know that looks like that. See that?
I'll try. Mine looks good too.
Yeah. Hey, you recording what I'm recording?
All right, okay. Starting at 9 o'clock.
I missed it. He was like, if y'all ready to go see some fireworks, make some noise. If y'all ready to see some fireworks, make some noise. I missed it again? Ah, it's cool. Don't worry, I'll get you next year. Wow! If you're ready to see some fireworks, make some noise. Hey, what you got there? What's that?
Bubble unicorn.
You said thank you to Matt?
Thank you, Matt. It's in a package.
Oh, you making a video?
Yeah.
TikTok.
Hi, dudes.
Hey, dudes. You like it, Mama? Yeah? There you go. Oh. I like that. This is fire.
It's making shapes.
It's making shapes.
Is that popcorn?
It's a frog.
Is that a frog?
Come on, let's move over here. Come on.
What is it? That's so cool. Oh, that's the sea.
Yo, that's crazy. That's drones doing that.
Oh.
That's a base. Oh, that's fire. Wow, this is crazy.
It's moving.
Oh, he's about to swing? No way.
Drone, get to your spot.
Yeah, one drone out of position.
They messed him up.
It's okay, it's okay.
What is that? It's a radio.
It's a radio. Okay, Bengals. Okay. That's nice. It's football. Touchdown. Damn. Yo, those hit in the soul, boy. They sound loud. Oh yeah, they're going crazy right now. Yeah, they're going crazy right now. Look at all that smoke. It really sounds like it's sizzling.
Like you're cooking something.
Yeah.
And it's like the steak sizzling real good. You're going to
Yeah, I think this is it.
the grand finale.
Yeah, come. That's it. That's it. People going crazy. People going crazy. They are going wild right now. Cincinnati, what up? Yo, that's insane. Yo, Matt, that was crazy. Okay, a little extra credit. To show you how crazy it gets going back. Hopefully it's not too crazy traffic wise. Anything you want to say, Mama, before we get out of here? Anything you want to say?
Peace.